What's up, folks? What's going on, man? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Socks the Jigsaw Ninja, and this is Power Curve Motorsports. Today on the channel, we are going to do another trailer. It is the smallest trailer that you can get from Lowe's, or let me say this, it is the smallest trailer that a stock wheelbase motorcycle will fit on. Customer wants us to set it up for hauling bikes, and of course, it's Power Curve, so we gotta make it cool, man. LED lights on it, so we got the work lights for it, and this is just the hardware we need to bolt down this giant sheet of plywood, and this paint is gonna cover it because that just looks goofy. Stay tuned, we got some trailer action coming at you today. All right, so we got all the LEDs in. Get this piece of wood, now that it's dry, put that down in here, bolt it down, install the front strip. Probably paint these rails because it just doesn't look good. Painted this and it looks fabulous. We're probably gonna get all that together and then paint everything. Stay tuned. They are bright, aren't they? And that looks good. So we got the load lights up top, we got the disco party lights down bottom, and we also have some lights for when it's, you know, track time's over and it's time to talk some trash. Yes, sir. Or it's time to pop them brewskis because we in the winter circle, baby. We got all lights for every situation on this trail. Yes. You know, you can dream it, we can do it. And that the colored lights, they run by your phone, so you can change the patterns. There's, I don't even want to say how many patterns there is. There's so many, I don't even know how to name them all, what it all does. There's two little buttons right here on the side of the trail. Top is, bottom's for color, top's white. Honda, Kawasaki, Yamaha, Suzuki. Man, if you ride a sport bike in the DMV, we can probably fix it. Hit us up, man. We going faster, man. PowderCoating Motorsports, like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.